Okay, everybody. So we are talking about neighbor. So when you say my neighbor, you have to put that M there. My neighbor. Onye agbata obim. My mom. My mom. So that M should be there because it's possessive. Now, when I say your neighbor, I said onye agbata obi gi, because I'm talking to you. Onye agbata obi gi means you, okay? Onye agbata obi gi. When I say their neighbor, onye agbata obi ha is there. When I say our neighbor, which is everybody will say our neighbor, I'm talking on behalf of everybody. Onye agbata obi anyị. Onye agbata obi anyị. Now moving on. Chicken. Chicken is ọkụkọ. 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 Bogene. Chicken. Chicken bogene. Ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ means chicken. Okay. Pay attention. We're going to do quiz. I'm just trying to finish all these animals. Then we do quiz and we also do oral quiz as well. It's asking you and I want you to tell me. So make sure you're paying close attention here. Ọkụkọ, okay, is chicken. My neighbor's chicken, okay, is flying. Now neighbor is again onye agbata obi. Now it's my neighbor. Ọkụkọ, onye agbata obi m na-efe efe. Fly means ife efe. To fly, ife efe. Okay. Ọkụkọ, onye agbata obi m na-efe efe. My neighbor's chicken flies, okay? It's flying. My friend's chicken flew. My friend means enyi. Ọkụkọ enyi m fere efe. That's past tense. So I try to do with present and past tense so that you see continuous tense too, how you can put it. My friend's chicken flew. Ọkụkọ enyi m, enyi means friend. Ọkụkọ enyi m fere efe. Ọkụkọ enyi m fere efe. Okay? When you say, I am flying, you say, ana m efe efe. When you say, I flew, efere m efe. When you say the airplane is flying, ụgbọelu na-efe efe. Airplane is ụgbọelu. All right, so let's move on. To fly is ifefe. Ifefe. I'm just reviewing what we did last time. Ifefe. Okay. When you want to say, she flew. O fere efe. Don't forget your pronoun. O represent he, she, or it. O fere efe. When you're looking at a chicken, you don't want to say chicken flew. You just say o fere efe. O fere efe. Okay. It flew. O fere efe. Okay. It is flying. O na-efe efe. O na-efe efe. Okay. All right. So my neighbor's monkey doesn't fly. This is in a negative form. Enwe, onye, you see how I put it? Don't just say my neighbor, you say onye agbata obi m enwe. No, no, no. In this case, it switches, okay? Enwe, onye agbata obi m. So you put the noun, okay, first. The noun comes first. Enwe, onye agbata obi m anaghị efe efe. Anaghị efe efe. Now, pig again. Ezi. Pig again. Ezi. Pig again. Ezi. Okay. This pig is dirty. Ezia ruru unyi. Ezi means pig. Unyi means dirty. Unyi is dirty. When you want to say something is dirty, you say ruru. When you want to say my clothes is dirty, FM ruru unyi, or you can say akwam ruru unyi, my clothes, my wrapper, my shirt, okay? My dress, they are all aqua or efe, okay? Akwam ruru unyi, you want to say something is dirty. My hand is dirty. Akam ruru unyi, you want to say my bottle, okay? Okay, you say mpom ruru unyi, you want to say my phone is dirty, okay? Ekwente, phone is ekwente. Ekwentem ruru unyi, ekwentem ruru unyi. All right, so I want you to know how to say all these things. Okwum ruru unyi, my leg is dirty. My shoe is dirty. Akpokpo okwum, shoe is akpokpo okwum. Shoe is akpokpo okwum. Akpokpo okwum ruru unyi, okay? My shoe is dirty, okay. Nenna's shoe is dirty. Akpokpo ụkwụ Nnenna ruru unyi. Akpokpo ụkwụ, you see that? Akpokpo ụkwụ comes before the person. All right? Akpokpo ụkwụ Nnenna ruru unyi. Put the noun first, okay? Okay. Now, my aunt gave me a pig. Nwanne mamam, or you can say nwanne papam, because your aunt can be either from your mom's side or from your dad's side. So you can say nwanne papam. It doesn't matter whether you say nwanne mamam. My aunt. Nwanne mamam. You can also say nwanne papam. Okay. Nyerem is. My aunt gave me a pig. Okay. Nwanne papam nyerem. Nyerem means gave you. Okay. Now, this chicken is not dirty. See where I am, where I put asterisks here. This chicken is not dirty. This is in a negative form now. Versus this chicken is dirty. Now we're trying to say it is not dirty. Okokwa. Remember how I told you how to put okokwa? This, if we say that, you say okoka ahu. That chicken. Now let me put two of them here. That chicken is not dirty. Ọkụkọ ahụ. Now pay attention to this and that. Because I'm going to trick you. I will ask you this question. And I'm expecting you to get it. That's what I wanted. Uh-oh. Okay, no, this is. Okay. That chicken is not dirty. Okay. Ọkụkọ ahụ. Ọkụkọ. Made a mistake here. Ọkụkọ ahụ. Ahụ. This word ahụ represents that. Let me bold it because I want you to see what we are trying to capitalize on here. This that's what we're talking about. So the word I put in a bold letter represent the one I put in Igbo and English on the other side of this sentence. Okay. This chicken is not dirty. Ọkụkọ This R represent this. Erugi unyi. You see how to say it when you're trying to say it's not dirty. Okay. This chicken is dirty. Now pay attention. Okokwa is still okokwa. Rurunyi versus orugunyi. See that? Now, see how to say that. That chicken. Now, I'm not saying this chicken. I'm saying that chicken. That chicken is not dirty. And see how I say it. Okuko ahu. So, but if I say this chicken, then it will be okokwa. Okay, I will do it again because I want you to get used to it. Ọkụkọ ahụ erughị unyi. I still doing it. I only want to bold that and this. Erughị unyi. All right. Now, I want somebody to tell me how to say it in Igbo. If you know it, raise your hand. We are going to, work on this and that. Okay. Somebody tell me how to say that man is coming. Let me make it simple because what we are trying to focus on here is that and this. Somebody will tell me that man is coming. If you know how to say it, raise your hand and tell us how to say it in Igbo. That man is coming. Okay, let's just leave it. That man. Let me just remove the sentence. Doziengwa. Dozie, let me I want to unmute you. Dozie, will you kagelu I need to. Dozie, I thought you wanted okay, so I need to unmute you. Dozie, unmute yourself.
That man.
Yeah, that man.
Woke aho. And then you said
that man
is coming.
That man is coming, yeah.
Woke aho ibiara.
Nwoke ahụ na-abịa.
Oh, na-abịa, okay.
Yes, nwoke ahụ na-abịa. Good job. Nwoke ahụ na-abịa. We're trying to use, yeah, okay. That man. That man is coming. So dozie nwetara dozie. Nwoke ahụ. So the word ahụ is the key word we are looking for. Nwoke ahụ na-abịa. Okay, kedu onye ga-agwa anyị? This boy, okay, this boy. Okay, let's just, this woman. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị? This woman is not coming. Just try. You see, Dozier tried and he got it. This woman is not coming. Let's have fun. Guys, let's have fun. If you know it. This woman, the word is this. This woman. Come on, in no way. Just surprise me. The word, the key word is this. This woman is not coming. Okay, Angel, dalo. Angel, welu. Okay, good. Angel, I'm gonna unmute yourself. Angel, unmute yourself. I saw your hand up. I'm gonna try, Angel.
Nwanyị a erughị na-abịa.
Again, Kwoyozo. Say it again.
Nwanyị a erughị na-abịa.
Okay. Nwanyị a, yeah, Angel tried. Nwanyị a anaghị abịa. Angel, can you say nwanyị a anaghị abịa? Come on now, Angel, you try now. Nwanyị a. You see the A. Good. At least you got that part. That's good. Angel, I want you to say nwanyị a anaghị abịa. Can you say that? Angel, are you there? Angel, okay. I think you muted yourself again. Wait, I want you to say, well, Angel, will you to raise your hand? Angel, can you raise your hand? Okay. Now unmute yourself, Angel. I want you to say nwanyị a anaghị abịa.
Nwanyị a anaghị abịa.
Yes, daalụ. Awesome. Okay. I think we're gonna move on because I want to finish it and then we do more because I want to make sure you have chance to ask questions. Ezigbo means good. Ezigbo, good. Ezigbo, good. Okay. Chiamaka bụ ezigbo mmadụ. Chiamaka bụ ezigbo mmadụ means Chiamaka is a good or nice person. Your sister is a bad person. Nwanne gị nwanyị bụ ajọ mmadụ. Bad means ajọ. Because some people ask questions. So these are the things we did last time. You are beautiful, or you say beauty. This person is so beautiful. Beauty is something. Ma. E mara mma. You are beautiful. E mara mma. She's beautiful. O mara mma. He's handsome. O mara mma. You see that? So all this. Okay, so, and then we have a word there, mbada. So I'm going to send out all these keywords, all these animal names, and then I want you to make a sentence. Try your best to make sentence, okay? With all this. I'm going to make it clear and I send it out and you all will do it yourself. I put what animals, what they're called. But some of them I didn't do. I want you to be the one, but I'll send it out. Okay? All right. Do you have a question? If you're all in what ajuju, will you akagelu? You don't ask me, I'm going to ask you. Okay, Dozier. Dozier nwere ajuju. Dozier, unmute yourself.
Dozier iheme. Enwere ajuju.
John, Dozier.
Auntie, can you scroll up because I want to know which.
Okay. Let me go all the way to the top. Okay. When I get there, let me know.
Okay, I'm trying to find it. Okay. So for his monkey is hungry. Agu na agu enwe ya. You say you will always flip
yeah, flip it. Let the noun come first, okay? Now, but in this case, the action. So if you translate it the way it is, everybody, you see the question Dozier was asking. His monkey. If you say enweya, you cannot say enweya ago na agoya. You know that. Now, but you cannot say his. If you say his, ya enwe, now it's wrong. You see that? Enwe ya, you can say here, you can also say enwe ya ago. Now you break it, put enwe ya is a full sentence. Ago na agoya. Ago na ago ya. This is another way to say it. So does they see what I'm doing? So these are two ways you can say it. His monkey, okay, enwe ya. Okay, so now you put noun first. Ago na ago ya, then you put hunger. Okay, na ago ya. Or you can say ago na ago enwe ya. There are so many ways, several ways you can put it. These are the two ways you can put it. But don't put his, because when you start translating his monkey, then you're going to say his is all. That's wrong. You see that? So that's why I try to make this sentence so that you get how to say it. Like I have 8 monkeys. Enwerem. You see that? Enwe. Remember what I said when you say, for example, when I say one house, how do you say it?
Otu ulo.
Otu. Now, when it's plural, when I say 3 houses, how do you say it?
Ulo ato.
There you go. Now you see, you switch it. Ulo comes first now. The noun, you see that?
Yes.
Before the number. Now, when you say 1,000, it's otupuku, right?
Yes.
When you say 2,000, it's puku what?
Abuo.
Abuo. So it goes like that. So language sometimes, so that is how you apply numeral and noun. So noun comes first when it's plural. You got it now?
Yeah, I do. So, Auntie, I have one more question.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Number 9, for cats, it says kedu
Gina what number 9?
Inati. Internati.
Itenane dalum ha.
So kedu onye nu wanyan.
Kodonye. Oh, sorry. Is it sometimes when you type something in Igbo, the Microsoft Word changes it. Kodonye. Mwe.
Okay. See, okay. That was my question.
Okay, yes, it's supposed to be mwe, not new. Kedonye mwe. I want you to pronounce that word.
When?
The long word, the cat, and how do you say cat?
Wanya wo.
Wanya wo.
Wanya wo.
Yes. Na kedonye wanya wo aho. You know, whenever you see aho, it represents what?
That.
That. That. There you go. Kedonya was, so is that your question?
Yeah, that's it.
Kaima or Ebuka nwere ajụjụ. Ngwa, unmute yourself, Kaima or Ebuka, and ask your question. Do you still have your question? Can you raise your hand again, Kaima or Ebuka? I think 2 of you are there. I wasn't sure who was asking the question. Okay, all right. Now unmute yourself now. Can you unmute yourself?
Ahambo Ebuka. Enwere m ajụjụ.
All right. Angwaju ajụjụ.
Where do you post the homework?
Yeah, I post it on the forum. Do I have your number?
Yes.
Do you have a phone number?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, send me your number so that I will add you, because I think your parents are the one there. But if I don't have your number, if I do not add you there, which means I don't have your number, but ask your parents if it is okay to add you. If they said no, then your parents should be the one giving you they should let you know when I post anything there. They can print the homework out. But if it's okay for them to add you, that's the only way you can give me your number. If it's not okay, especially if you're a minor, don't give me your number. You have to get the permission from your parents before you, if they say it's okay to add you, then I can add you, okay, Buka?
Okay.
All right. There you go. Onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Okay. If you don't have a question anymore, I'm going to unmute everybody, and I'm gonna say, no. And I want to hear everybody to tell me cardio. All right. Ngwano. Ka emesiano. Aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ. Ka emesiano. Audio.
Nancy, I'm sorry I was in class.
Aha. Yeah, somebody want.
Yes, Auntie, it's humble altitude chicken.
Aha gị bụ gịnị?
Humble chicken altitude.
Okay, Chika, enwere m ajụjụ. Okay, Chika, gịnị wụ ajụjụ gị?
No, Auntie, I wanted to ask a question. Well, I guess I wanted to ask a question, but I just wanted to first say, I'm sorry I wasn't in class.
That's okay, no
I
problem. Yeah, go
wasn't
ahead
good.
and ask your question. That's fine, okay?
So Auntie, are we learning about like animals?
Yes, and I'm gonna post it. We'll just finish it, and I will post what we did today. And make sure you listen to go to Atlanta Igbo School YouTube channel. Listen to the recording, okay? And then print out the notes and go over them. If you have questions, then you can ask me, okay?
Okay.
All right, Chick. I'm going to
Okay,
Audio.
I know.